Hey guys, Joey here, Joe's RV Tech DIY. I want to take a second and talk about Suburban RV furnaces. In front of me here, I have what's known as a RP35FQ Suburban Core unit. 2610A is the part number. We're actually going to be replacing a customer's furnace with this. And what happened is mice got inside of it and completely destroyed it, and they even made it inside the exhaust manifold. And every time you run it, it just smells rotten, and the customer's done with it. I told them we could rebuild it and try to get as much of the smell out as possible, but no matter how much we do to it, it just keeps stinking. So the purpose of this video is to let you guys know that I do sell these units on our website, worldofrvparts.com. And if you guys want to give me a call or shoot me an email, you can email me at worldofrvparts@gmail.com and just mention that you saw the video on Joe's RV Tech DIY. I'd love to give you guys a good discount on it and get you taken care of. So these units come with everything you need to install it. I'm going to put everything on top that it comes with so you guys can see. So you get the unit itself, all the wiring, the board. So you get the exterior bracket, you get the exhaust vent, and you get your fitting for the propane, which goes over here. You remove that orange plug, and you'd want to put some thread sealant on here. I use yellow. They do make a liquid that you can use, but I like to use the yellow thread tape. The only thing that it doesn't come with is this case. So they do sell those separately, but you can use your existing case. Just clean it up before you use it, and then you don't have to punch out any new holes for your vents or anything. This is pretty cool on Suburban's part because it is cheaper than buying an entire new furnace, and I think they just wanted to provide a solution for their customers to let them know that they do care. So I'll post a link below to the website where you guys can buy these products. And on each listing, I have included a description of which one you would need based on your model number. So if you click on one, you'll be able to figure out which one you need. You just go down in the description and take a look, and you'll see, oh, okay, yeah, I need 2611. And you'll be able to go back into our furnace page and select the one that you need, because we've listed them all. I have a bunch on order right now, and we're waiting to get some more in stock, but they should be here any day now. So if you're not sure if we have it or not, just give me a call on the website. The phone number is listed, or shoot me an email, and I'll let you know what the lead time is on it. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys that have subscribed, and hope to earn some of your business on World of RV Parts as well. We'll do some videos on furnaces coming up here for troubleshooting and stuff that you guys can do. Maybe you're in the market for some other repair parts. We're actively listing things on World of RV Parts. We have just over, I think, a few hundred parts right now, but that changes every day. So thanks for watching. Until next time, please be sure to subscribe, and safe travels out there, guys.